Hey, what's up out there, my people? CP here with another workout for you. We're still focusing on the core, and stability is our main goal, so we're going to be doing nice, slow, and controlled movements. I got a 6 exercise series we're going to do, doing each exercise for 30 seconds and going right into the next one, ending in a plank that we're going to hold as long as we possibly can. I'll put a list of the exercises down in the description, and yeah, without further ado, let's get it going. First, we're doing seated scissor kicks. Remember, nice, slow, and controlled. Post up on your hands. Your back nice and straight. Crossing your legs over one another. You got 30 seconds here before we hit the next one. Keep that core nice and tight. Control your breathing. And we're about to go right into plank around the world. And this bell goes off. Get the plank position. We're going to go one limb at a time. Straight up the arm, other arm, leg, other leg. We want to minimize rocking as much as possible. Try to hold our hips nice and steady as we go around. Keep it up, keep it up. Slow and controlled. Next movement we have 2 toe touches, 2 heel ups. Reach up, get your shoulder blades off the mat. Post on your hands. Raise up your hips. Put your heels to the sky. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible and control those movements. Next, we have seated ab circles. In V-sit, go a big circle one direction, hit that circle the other way. Keep that core tight, keep your back straight, control every bit of the movement. Make the circle as big as you possibly can. And we go into the opposite elbow knee tucks. Plank position. We're going to go bringing that elbow to the opposite knee. Once again, trying to minimize the rocking and control every bit of the movement. Last, we got the plank. Your hips down, body in a straight line. Hold this bad boy as long as you possibly can. Keep your core flexed. Control your breathing. And relax. I guess you should relax. But try to. Go ahead and hold this as long as you can. I don't want to make this too boring, so I'm going to go ahead and stop here and get into it. When you're done with that plank, you rest for 1 minute, hit it all over again. It's going to get you a good little burn going. Do as many sets as you possibly can. And yeah, share how your experience was with me, please. Thank you for joining me. See you guys again with another workout. As always, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy, my friends.